What's up, y'all? It's your girl Coco Glow. If you love this hairstyle, because I love it, keep watching. I definitely gave all of the details step by step of how I achieved this look. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hey everyone, so I am about to start my hair, but before we even start, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So I was dying to do this hairstyle. It is kind of like braids in the front and some weave in the back. And how I will be achieving this look, you definitely need all of the products that I'm going to tell you and show you to get. And I'm going to also leave it down in my description box so you can know exactly what to get. If you have any question about the products, just please, you can email me or you can write down in the comment section down below. I will answer. So now I'm just getting started with just parting my hair and making sure that part is right. Then I'm going to take a couple of scrunchies and scrunch the part that I am not going to be using right now. And if you do not know, yes, I cut my hair off because I had put a perm in my hair last summer and it ate up my hair. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in and I'm turning around just to show y'all how I did a couple of braids in the back, because I will not sew it. I'm going to do this as like a quick glue in the back. So it's going to be like a half quick weave in the back, and I'll show you how you achieve that. But for now, you're going to keep braiding. Sorry for the lighting. The light kept messing up, but yes, you're going to keep braiding, and you do need a clip or I would say a scrunchie to get the rest of the hair out the way. But just keep braiding. I think around like 4 to 5 braids, and then I connected it together. But just keep watching. It's definitely simple, it's definitely easy, it was definitely quick for me. I had no problems with how I achieved this look, and I will definitely do it again. And yes, just let me know down below if you need help with anything. I am here. So now you want to take your wild growth or any type of moisturizing grease to make sure you grease your hair, because your hair needs to grow. It needs to be moisturized under this. Okay, so now I just took my black weaving cap. Now you can use 2. I'm just going to use 1 for now. You can get this in your local beauty supply store. And then I'm going to go in with my weave bonding protecting, because I will be putting glue in the back where the braids is at. Now, sometimes I wear gloves, sometimes I don't. I do advise you to wear gloves if you do not like a mess. Me, I don't care, because I'm going to take a shower right on after. And then you're going to need your blow dryer to make sure that everything is dry in the back. Now you're going to take your weaving needle and thread, and this is something I like to do. I like to sew around the perimeter of the weaving cap. So I start underneath where the braid is at, and I don't automatically sew like really close together. Sometimes I do a big gap. So basically why I do this is because you have to cut the cap off. And I know a lot of people like to keep the cap on and just continue to just glue while the cap is on, like on their whole head. Me, sometimes I get confused. So this is another way for me to just cut it off, and then I could feel with my fingers where to stop at. Everybody have a different method. This is mine, and it has been working for me for years. So that is what I'm doing right now. You can definitely try this out. It's definitely simple and easy. You could definitely tweak it, do it how you feel and how you feel comfortable. Now I'm going to take this beautiful hair. This hair is definitely old, but it is definitely still good. I'm definitely going to use this. I washed it and everything. And how I started gluing the back of my hair, I started as in going straight across, and then I started making like a U. So now I'm going to use my 30-second glue to put on top of the weft, and then that's how I will be putting and laying the tracks down and showing y'all how I'm going to lay it down. So I only use a little bit of glue. You don't want to use too much. If you have to use a lot, then that's on you. But for me, I'm not trying to use too much. I don't want my hair coming out, even though I put the protective bonding solution on. Then you want to go in every time you glue one on. Make sure you go in with your blow dryer and blow dry it. I put mine on medium because I don't want to burn my scalp. Okay, so normally I will go in and spray Spritz. Spritz will help the track lay down faster and dry faster. To me, that's old school style. I mean, everybody been doing that for years. I don't know about everybody, but I know me, I used to do it for years. So it has been working wonders. So I'm going to continue gluing and putting these wefts tracks in the back of my head until I get all the way up to the top. So now I'm just gonna go in and make sure all of the tracks is secure in the back. You want to do this method to make sure there's no lifting, and if you do find lifting, you could always put some 30-second glue back on it and blow dry it again. This really helps and make sure everything is secure. So, you know, just go back in. It was only going to take a second. Just do it. But now I'm going to go and I'm going to pin that hair up in the back so it will not get in my way as I start braiding the front of my hair. I really don't have a method of how I want the braids in the front. I'm just going with how I feel or the directions of the front of my hair basically. So before I do that, I'm going to comb out the hair I want in the front for my baby hairs. My baby hairs are really light on both sides of my head, so I'm going to be using jam, and then I also have some edge control called Eben. I hope I'm saying it right, but I'll put it down below in the description box. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. And I am not going to be putting a lot of braids in my hair. That's up to you. For me, I just want like maybe like, I would say like a couple of braids. I don't plan on having this hairstyle in for a long time. And yeah, so just keep watching. I really love this hairstyle. It's definitely trending right now, to wear it, like especially on vacation, and I really love it. I am definitely going to do it again. So yeah, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel as well and thumbs up this video. So I am almost done braiding the front of my hair, and my arms is hurting. Like, I have not braided in so long. It takes a lot for me now to braid. I think that's because I need to work out my arms. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, your arms got to be up there to be having your hands over your head for a long time. But yes, I am feeling and loving the braids that I'm doing. I did a couple of zigzag parts inside of my braids. If you want a more detail of how to do designs in your hair, like as in braids, just comment down below and I will do a braid hair tutorial for y'all if you're interested. So just let me know down below and I'll definitely like get that together for y'all. But yes, I'm really feeling this style already. I have no complaints. It definitely is coming out so good. And I haven't braided like this in a while, like with doing designs. I used to do designs when Iverson was out. I used to do a lot of people's hair with all those different crazy designs in your hair. But I still got it, and I'm so happy that I still got it, and I know how to braid. But yes, it definitely takes time though to get up there and get your skills up, okay? It is not easy. It is not easy at all. So this is how some of the braids are coming out. It definitely looks cute. Definitely a vibe. And I just finished. This is how I did the braids, and then I did a couple of other designs. So now I'm going to take all of the braided parts and just like put it inside a bun, because now I'm about to start curling the back of my hair. I don't know if I want to do, I might just stick with the crimp. So I was gonna do like body wave curls, but I was like, you know what, I like the crimp hairstyle. So you want to take a clip and make sure that's secure before you start curling your hair. And I'm just gonna go in, I'm just gonna grab a couple of pieces. I'm not going like small piece. If I feel like I need to go back in and do some more, then I'll do it. But for right now, I'm just gonna grab pieces and crimp it all the way down on both sides of my hair. But it is already coming out looking cute. Comment down below and thumbs up this video if you like how it's coming out already. Y'all should definitely go and try this hairstyle. It's definitely simple, it's definitely cute. You can definitely wear whatever you want with this hairstyle, because I know with me, I don't like wearing different hairstyles with clothing, so I'm just like so picky like that. That's why I always switch up my hair, and I love me a center part, but this hairstyle right here is definitely so good. And I just love my crimper. I got my crimper from TJ Maxx and it's still holding up. I had it for a year now. Like, look at this crimp. This crimp came out so good. I just love it. I will put the brand to this crimper right down below in the description as well. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep crimping my hair, getting all of these crimps in. Oh, and another thing is too, yes, I did spray some Spritz on my hair, and that's another thing you want to do to make sure the crimps last. But now I'm just going to go in with doing my baby's hair. I'm not going to do too much dramatic baby's hair because I actually have to go soon. So I'm going to do a couple nice baby hair, and then I'm going to take my scarf or my edge scarf and I'm going to tie it down for like maybe 3 minutes. Also, I like to spray Spritz on my baby hairs after I'm done. I know a lot of people put mousse, but I put Spritz just so it could just stay there, and then if I need to do some fixing when it's done, I'll just go back in and fix it when it's done. But I am all done. Comment down below if you like this hairstyle. This is definitely simple. It's definitely cute. It's sexy. Y'all definitely need to try this hairstyle out. I really love it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.